Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to log into Canva on your phone. First, ensure you have the Canva app installed and open it. You'll see a welcome screen. Simply tap the Login button. Canva offers several convenient ways to access your account, making it easy to get started. We'll explore these options in the next step, ensuring you can quickly begin creating amazing designs on the go. It's a straightforward process designed for efficiency. Once you've tapped Login, you'll see various options. Many users find it easiest to log in using their existing Google, Facebook, or Apple accounts with just 1 or 2 taps. If you prefer, you can also enter your registered email address and password directly into the provided fields. Should you have forgotten your password, there's a convenient Forgot Password link to help you reset it and regain access to your creative workspace. After selecting your login method, you'll complete the process. If you chose a third-party option like Google, simply follow the on-screen prompts to authorize Canva's access. For email and password logins, carefully type your password into the designated box. Once all details are entered correctly, tap the final Login button. You will then be directed to your personalized Canva dashboard, ready to explore thousands of templates and design tools. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. Here are a few tips. First, always ensure you have a stable internet connection, as this is crucial for the app to communicate with Canva's servers. Second, carefully double-check your email address and password for any small typos before tapping Login. Finally, make sure your Canva app is updated to its latest version, as updates often resolve common login glitches and improve overall functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.